Hello, I am Dr. Rajnesh Pandey, working as an assistant professor in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to speak on the topic elements and process of communication. The communication process consists of 7 crucial elements. These include the sender, the message or ideas, the encoding, the media or channel, the receiver, the decoding and the feedback. The process of communication is also affected by other factors including noise and context. Let's discuss the 7 key elements of communication. Sender. The very first element of the communication process is the sender. Communication starts with the sender. A sender is a person who sends a message to others. For instance, Rahul informed his employees to do something. Here Rahul is a sender in the communication process. Message. It is the second part of the communication in the process. The sender needs messages or ideas to send for a specific action. It can be ideas, opinions, views, feelings, orders, attitudes, suggestions or questions. Encoding. Encoding is the third step of the elements of communication cycle. It is the process of converting a message into symbols, words, actions, pictures or graphs which must be understandable by the receiver. Media or channel. It is the fourth step. Media is the route through which the message is transmitted from the sender to receiver. It can happen in many ways such as face-to-face, via radio, television, computer, writing blogs, email, phones and so on. For example, Rahul informed his employees about the new market strategy through an online Google platform through his smartphone. Receiver. A receiver is a person or group of people who receive a message from the sender. To whom the message is sent is the receiver. The receiver can also be one who tries to understand the message to achieve the desired goal. For example, employees of the Rahul are the receiver of the message. Decoding. Decoding means extracting a message from the encoding language like symbols, words, pictures or graphs that have been sent by the communicator or sender. Decoding is the process of extracting the meaning of the message. For instance, employees extracted the meaning of audio-visual presentations. Feedback. It is the final step. Feedback is the response of the receiver. Feedback ensures that the receiver understood the message that he or she received from the sender. Now, process of communication. The communication process follows some steps consecutively. It starts with the sender and ends with the feedback. Now see how it works. The sender decides to convey the message to the receiver. The sender makes ideas or messages that he or she wants to send to the receiver. The sender encodes his or her message into an understandable format like symbols, words, pictures, graphs, etc. The sender selects a channel or medium to send it. It can be letter, by mail, over the phone or through face-to-face communication. Then the receiver receives the message from the sender. The receiver decodes the message into an understandable format to make it meaningful. The receiver sends his or her feedback to the original sender that he or she got the message. If he or she does not understand because of the noise, then he or she may request to send the message again. If the sender cannot express himself, herself because of context and the receiver cannot get the actual message, then they will come to a mutual understanding with further interactions. I hope you would like this video. Please like, share and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.